I'm so proud that you have always been a survivor in this industry and you are where you are today. You treasure your heart so much na kaya mong mabuhay kahit hindi na sila ang magdidikta kung anong dapat ka, kung sino dapat kasama mo. And I feel like you deserve that because you've always worked hard since you were a child. And not many child actors will be standing in your position now. Aside from that, you're married, you have children, you have a beautiful home. This is a forever friendship. Yun yung sabi ko kay Angelica, sabi ko sa kanya, kahit anong mangyari, forever ko kayong mahali.
Grabe naman yun. Thank you, Hearty. Thank you so much. Hindi ka mawawala sa buhay ko because hindi lang sa mata ng maraming tao but even for me, malaki yung part mo sa journey ko. Alam ko na nakikita na lang ng mga tao ngayon is ngayon. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano ka before, kung paano ka umabot sa ganyan.